Hey guys, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Today we're making what I'm going to name and what I'm going to call Hidden Love Brownie Muffins. Hidden Love Brownie Muffins. So, this is not my recipe. I did see it off of Pinterest. You guys have probably already done it, but we're going to do it together. I've never done it. So, you're going to see me either succeed or fail. So, if this sounds like something you'd like, this is going to be great for Valentine's Day, to make for your kids, to make for your sweetie pie, to make for your grandchildren. And it's also going to be a great sweet snack to have at the Super Bowl. So either way, you've got a great thing to make. So stay tuned. We're making Hidden Love Brownie Muffins. Okay, so let me just go through the little things that you're going to need. You're going to need a pack of brownie mix. And you're going to need the eggs and the oil and the water that it calls for on the back. So you're going to make the brownie batter. You're also going to need some chocolate chip cookie dough. You're also going to need some Reese cups. And you're going to need some brownies. So we're going to try this recipe and see how it goes. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prepare the brownie mix. We're going to prepare it just like it says on the back of the box. There's nothing homemade about this, it's just putting it together. So, it also called for 3 eggs. Three eggs. There we go. It calls for a half a cup of oil, vegetable oil. Calls for a 1/4 of a cup of water. Now, I'm just going to get to beating. Now, these are the bowls. I know the whisk sounds kind of yucky as it scrapes. Somebody said they like the sound. So, there you go. ASMR at its best. I'm getting brownie mix everywhere. All right. Now we're just going to set this aside as we prepare everything else. Let me get a few things. I'll be right back. Okay, I've just opened the package of cookie dough, and I'm going to kind of eyeball score it. Let's see. So needs to be 6. So I need to cut this into thirds. And then in each of those in half. Because you want 12 pieces. I'm a little off on that one. Alright, third, and a third, half, half, half. Alright, so we're just going to cut these into the 12 pieces I have. This is really cold cookie dough. I probably need to let it soften just a little bit. Y'all, I've got 2 of my favorite things right here to eat raw. Cookie dough and brownie mix. Love it. All right, let me grab my muffin tin. Okay, I've got a funny story to tell you guys about this. I take the lid off because it doesn't fit in the cabinet with the lid on. And it just barely fits with the lid off. And I had it pointed out this way, and I was pushing it in, and obviously there's some parts lower in the top shelf than others, and so it somehow got wedged in there. It pushed it down enough. It was spraying all over my hair. I had like oily hair. It was quite funny. So I'm going to prepare our pans. And if you guys don't like using spray, then you use Crisco and flour, whatever suits your fancy. Okay, so next to this, we're going to put in our cookie dough. And you smush it just a little bit. And it won't hurt my feelings if I leave myself some to munch on. So guys, we had a beautiful, wonderful time of prayer last night at the church. If you have been watching me for any time, on my live video the other night, I said I wanted to have a season of prayer for those that need the Lord to move. And so my church gathered around me. I stood in the gap. I stood in proxy for everyone. And my church came up behind me. And we just prayed for each. We didn't call every need. We didn't speak it. We just, the Lord knows. So, anyway, I'm going to keep doing this. And I'll be right back. Okay, here we have our cookies pushed down in there. So I'm going to do half of them one way and half of them another. And I've got just the regular, not double stuffed, but just regular Oreos. So we're going to fit one in the center of 6 of these muffins. Okay. And you probably guessed it, we're going to do the Reese cups the same way. I am going to turn them face down. I don't guess it matters, but I'm doing it so we can have more brownie around the edge at the top. So, I'm going to fill these up. I see some peanut butter poking out. Okay, I'm going to finish this and I'll be right back. Okay, and you guessed it, we're going to fill the muffin tin up with brownie mix. And I don't think I need to put quite that much in. Let me get a smaller scoop. I'm going to scoop a little bit of that out. You don't want it quite full, but pretty close to full. I'm making a mess. But that's what real cooks do. They make messes. We don't have sous chefs helping us. So, we make messes and that's okay. Alright, now I want to get that Oreo completely surrounded. Let's say it's taken about 1/8 of a cup, maybe a little bit more. About 1/8 of a cup. And I'm going to kind of bounce this on the table once I get it full. I hear Mr. Bryant pulling in. Okay guys, I'm going to finish filling this up and I'll bring you back as soon as it's ready to go in the oven. Okay guys, there it is. It's fixing to go in a 350 degree oven. I got it done before Bryant came in. I didn't want him to see because I want him to be surprised. I want it because it's hidden love. Surprise brownies. And hidden love brownie muffins. So I wanted him to be surprised. So it's going in a 350 degree oven. I'm saying 18 minutes, but be sure to look down in the description below and I'll put exactly how long it took mine to bake. But I'm planning for 18 minutes. So 350 is going in. Okay guys, they're out and they are now cooling. So we'll just let them cool for a little bit and then I'll get Bryant to try them. Okay guys, this one came out in one beautiful piece. This one, not so much. But we're going to have Bryant try them. I did get them out before they're completely cool, so that may be part of the issue. So we're going to have Bryant come and taste a little bit of each of these and see which one he likes and which is his hidden love surprise. You want to get your glass of milk?
Hey everybody! Yes, a glass of milk.
He needs a glass of milk. What I'm going to do while he's getting a glass of milk is I'm just going to cut them in half. This one came apart, so this one did not. Might come apart as
Never had a brownie muffin.
This is Hidden Love Surprise Muffins.
Hidden
Brownie
love
Muffins.
Surprise. Here we go. Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Don't let the red Solo cup fool you.
It's just milk.
Christians drink milk.
I don't.
I figured you guys would like that. Hey, listen. I just wanted to. We had a viewer send me a few jokes, and I read over them, and there were one on there that I thought was hilarious. What do you call it when a chicken lays an egg on a rooftop?
I know the answer.
An egg roll. I thought that was pretty good. Okay, let's look at the brownies. Here we go.
And they sent him a lot of jokes.
A lot of jokes.
So I'm sorry in advance.
I can't remember who sent them, but whoever did, thank you. Thank you.
We're going to be hearing them forever.
They are phenomenal.
At least it's giving him some new ones to put in his repertoire.
I know what this is, okay? Look at there. That's a Reese's peanut butter cup. And do y'all know what? I just came in from the chicken houses and I took a shower. Do y'all know what I found in the bathroom? A Reese peanut butter cup wrapper. Now, how did it get from the kitchen to the bathroom? But anyway,
I needed a snack while I took my bath.
I know what that one is too. That looks like an Oreo. So, all right, here we go. Which one first?
Either one. You tell me which, and you tell me which one you like better, and if they're good. I don't even know if they're gonna be good.
First time we ever tried it. Really good. Of course, I love peanut butter.
There's something different on the bottom too.
Chocolate chip? Mm-hmm. I got a hint of the chocolate chip, yeah.
He's got to cleanse his palate.
That's sorbet. Okay, let's try the Oreo. Go. Either one of them's a hit.
They good?
My favorite?
The Reese cup.
The Reese cup.
Because he likes peanut butter.
I love peanut butter. I mean, I should have been Jeff's son, you know.
Phone's ringing.
That's okay. Both of them, to a chocolate lover, will be a hit.
Yep. So make these for your sweetie on Valentine's. Make them for if you're having a Super Bowl get together. And y'all, I don't care nothing about the football. I'm just there for the commercials and the food. So, I'm going to give the Oreo one a bite. Caroline is going to die when she gets here. This is going to be right up hers and Jamie's alley. This is good, y'all. Very good. So, easy. I didn't have to make anything. I just put stuff together. So, there you have it. What I'm naming Hidden Love Brownie Muffins Surprise something. So, alright, y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. Please hit subscribe. Hit the bell notification and give me a thumbs up. Sorry. Leave me a comment below. Tell me if you've done this before. What else you've stuck in the middle as a surprise. You could probably do about anything. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife, where if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye, y'all. Hey y'all, and welcome to The Farming Pastor's Wife. Today we're making, and let me think what to call it. Let's call it,